The Metaverse, a term that's been gaining traction. You hear this term everywhere now. Tech blogs, news, even your friends are talking about it. But what's really behind the buzz and all the hype? Is this the next big thing, a game changer, or just another passing trend? Think back to the early days of the internet, a sense of limitless possibility and innovation. The Metaverse is sparking that same excitement, promising new ways to connect, play, and work, all in a digital space. But it's not just about gaming and entertainment. It's about persistent, shared digital spaces that keep evolving and growing. Imagine attending a virtual concert or joining a business meeting, all inside a digital world. Wild, right? So is this a revolution or just more hype? And more importantly, should you invest your hard-earned money? We're breaking it all down for you today. Let's dive in and explore. So what is the Metaverse really? It's a term that's been buzzing around, but what does it truly signify? Let's cut through the hype and get to the core of this evolving concept. Picture the internet, but in 3D. Imagine stepping beyond the flat screen and into a digital world that surrounds you. A place you can actually step into, not just scroll through. It's about immersion, presence, and feeling like you're truly. It's not one single world, but many interconnected digital spaces, each with its own unique environment and experiences. Think of it as a collection of virtual destinations. You create an avatar, your digital self, a representation of you in this new reality, and move seamlessly between these worlds, exploring different environments and interacting with others. The dream? A unified, accessible digital reality for everyone, regardless of location or background. A truly global and inclusive space. You could shop, learn, or hang out with friends from across the globe, sharing experiences as if you were in the same room. All in real time. It's about shared experiences, instant interaction, and new ways to connect, collaborate, and create together. But remember, this is all still being built. The Metaverse is not a finished product, but an ongoing evolution. No one company owns the Metaverse. Dozens of players are building their own pieces of the puzzle, contributing to this shared digital future. It's a work in progress, and its final form is still unknown. The possibilities are vast, and the future is unwritten. The only certainty? Change is happening fast. The Metaverse is evolving at an incredible pace. Let's see how you can get involved and navigate this exciting new frontier. So, you're intrigued by the Metaverse and its potential for investment. But how do you actually get started? How do you actually invest in the Metaverse? There are a few main paths into this digital frontier. Let's keep it simple and break down the most common approaches. First, virtual land. Yes, believe it or not, people are buying digital real estate. It's a concept that's rapidly gaining traction. In worlds like Decentraland and the Sandbox, these platforms offer users the ability to purchase and develop virtual plots, hoping values rise as more users join and the demand for these digital spaces increases. Next, NFTs. Unique digital assets like art, in-game items, or avatar outfits. These are all represented as NFTs. They're proof of ownership in the digital world, verifiable on the blockchain, making them unique and potentially valuable. Then, company stocks. Think VR headset makers, the companies building the hardware that powers the Metaverse experience, software developers, or graphics card companies. The essential components for creating and experiencing these virtual worlds. Investing in their stock is a more traditional route to gain exposure to the Metaverse's growth. Each path has its own risks and rewards, so it's crucial to understand the landscape before diving in. Virtual land is speculative, its value heavily dependent on the future success and adoption of specific platforms. NFTs are volatile, with prices often driven by hype and sentiment, making them a higher-risk investment. And company stocks depend on broader tech trends and the overall performance of the technology sector. The key is understanding what you're buying and why you're buying it. Conduct thorough research and due diligence. Don't get lost in the hype. The Metaverse is full of exciting possibilities, but it's also important to stay grounded. Research each option carefully. Understand the underlying technology, the market dynamics, and the potential risks involved. The Metaverse is new territory, so tread wisely. Approach it with a sense of adventure, but also with a healthy dose of caution. Let's talk about why people are so excited about the metaverse and its potential to revolutionize how we interact with the digital world. And what you should watch out for, the potential pitfalls and challenges that come with investing in this emerging space. Why are investors so incredibly hyped about the metaverse and virtual worlds? What's driving this surge of interest and investment? Getting in on the ground floor could mean huge growth, a chance to be part of something truly transformative. Think about the potential returns like early tech stocks or Bitcoin in its infancy. New digital economies are rapidly emerging, creating unprecedented opportunities for commerce and innovation. Consider the demand for virtual event planners, digital fashion designers crafting unique avatars and wearables, and NFT artists pushing the boundaries of digital art. It's a whole new frontier, a digital Wild West ripe with possibilities. This space offers unprecedented opportunities for new jobs and boundless creativity. Imagine attending a live concert with friends from all corners of the globe, all experiencing the same energy, or building your dream world from the ground up, designing every detail to your exact specifications. There are no physical limits to what you can create and experience. Social connection is becoming deeper and more immersive, transcending geographical boundaries, and digital ownership, secured by blockchain technology, is rapidly becoming mainstream. People are starting to value digital assets, like virtual land and unique avatars, as much as physical ones, recognizing their inherent worth and potential. This fundamental shift in perspective is fueling unprecedented investment and driving rapid innovation. The metaverse is fundamentally redefining what we own and how we perceive value. It's also transforming how we connect with each other, fostering new forms of community and interaction. But remember, with big opportunity comes big risk, and it's crucial to approach this new landscape with caution. Let's talk about the flip side, the potential pitfalls and challenges that lie ahead. Let's get real. Metaverse investing is risky. Prices for virtual land and NFTs can swing wildly, sometimes overnight. Scams are everywhere, so stay vigilant. Tech is still catching up. VR headsets aren't perfect. Not all needs time to mature. Interoperability is a major challenge. The potential is huge, but it's still speculative. Always do your own research. Don't just follow the hype. Is the metaverse the future or a bubble waiting to burst? Share your thoughts below and don't forget to subscribe.